Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to set your mirrors up in your BMW E46. Alright, okay, this is a really quick video. Alright, to those who are new to this car, it's a BMW E46 2003 model. Okay, so your rear view mirrors, guys, your side mirrors, whatever you want to call it, this right here, this button right here is your mirror adjustment. Okay, so left, right, okay, left, right, and then basically, so I'm just going to show you for the example of the video, the right one. So I'm going to flick that to the right, and then here is up, down, left, right. Okay, so up, down, left, right, just like that. Okay, that is how you adjust your mirrors. Now if you want to do that, you can do that and flick it to the left, and that will do it on the other side, guys. Okay, and I just want to show you one more thing. When you reverse, right, it's pretty cool. So when you reverse with these mirrors, when you set it to, I think it's the right side, I might be wrong, but I'll just double check. So I do this, right, and I set it into reverse, this mirror, right? So if I set this to reverse and I flick this to the right, that goes down automatically, guys. See how that does that? So when you're reversing, okay, that's my sensor, just ignore that. When this is reversing, guys, like this will automatically go down to see the curve, so you don't like gutter stomp your tires, right? And if you want to just if you want that to go away, right, you flick this to the left and it will automatically go away. See? So that's how you do that. So if you want to have your mirrors showing the curb, you set it to the right, and then when you set it in reverse, that mirror will go down and it will allow you to see the gutter, which is pretty good. But usually I keep it there, so that way it doesn't annoy me and it doesn't, you know, waste my time if I'm reversing. I only use this if I need to sort of like, you know, like park. Sometimes it helps, or if I'm reversing and I want to avoid the gutter, then, you know, popping it to the right helps. But I keep it to the left. So yeah, that is how to adjust your mirrors, guys. I hope that helped, and yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.